Hey guys, welcome to Lampa, and today I'll show you guys an Indian chicken curry recipe that I've come across. It looks delicious and tastes just the same, which you have to try. So in a bowl, we're gonna add some oil, and then we're gonna add some spices. Okay, now we're gonna add chopped onions together with it and saute it. We're adding curry leaves and sauteing it as well, and then adding ginger garlic paste, which I've created. Now we're gonna add some marinated chicken and then some salt to taste. Okay, now we're gonna add turmeric powder and pepper, fennel and cumin powder together with them. We're adding chopped tomatoes and then mixing it really well and then letting it cook for a while, for around 15 minutes at least. Okay, once you open the cooker, it smells delicious, doesn't it? So we're gonna give it a stir, and then we're gonna add our red chili powder and a bit of coriander powder as well. Make sure you add 2 scoops of coriander powder. Now we're gonna mix it really well again, and then we're gonna add some water so it's like curry. We're gonna add our pepper, fennel and cumin seed powder, and then adding some coconut mixture that I've created. It's just basically coconut blended, and then we're gonna add our coriander leaves on top, and that is it, guys. This is a recipe that you cannot miss out, and I really hope you would try it at home. I hope you like this video. Make sure you SLS, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.